Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing any unsaved work and making sure the iPad Air has some charge. This prevents data loss and failed shutdowns. Once done, position the device so you can reach the top power and a volume button simultaneously. Press and hold the top and either volume button together until the power-off slider appears. This step puts the shutdown control on screen because modern iPads use dual-button input to prevent accidental power-offs. You now follow through by dragging the slider fully to the right. That confirms you want a power down and signals the system to close processes cleanly. If you prefer a software path, open Settings, tap General, then Shut Down. This avoids using physical buttons and is helpful for button-worn devices. Make sure to wait for the screen to go black. Pressing buttons too soon can interrupt the sequence, so let the hardware complete the shutdown before handling the iPad again. Once the screen is black and the device is quiet, you're done. Store or charge the iPad as needed. To power it back on, press and hold the top button until you see the Apple logo. That boots the system normally. If the iPad won't respond or is frozen, perform a force restart. Press volume up, press volume down, then hold the top button until the logo appears. This clears temporary hangs without erasing data. If problems persist, contact support or visit an authorized service provider.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.